If you are watching this video, it is because you need help with problem 4, so let's get through this. So looking at this first problem, I already see something. I have a negative variable, and I've already told you that we do not want to multiply or divide by a negative number. So before I get started, I want to make this negative variable positive. So I'm going to do that by adding a to both sides. So I did have to move it to the other side, but now at least it's positive. I bring down my 6, I bring down my symbol, I bring down 15 and plus a. So at this point, whenever you're solving for a variable, you should be looking where the variable is. So here's the variable. What can I get rid of? I can get rid of this positive 15 right here, and I can get rid of it by doing the opposite. Negative 15 to both sides. This goes away, it equals 0. 6 take away 15, I'm taking away more than we have, so I know my answer is negative 9. So this tells me that negative 9 is greater than or equal to a, or a is less than or equal to negative 9. Now if I'm writing this in set notation, I have a such that a is less than or equal to negative 9. And if I'm writing it on a number line, I have negative 9 less than or equal, so I can actually have negative 9, so close circle, and less is to the left. Less is to the left. So I draw my shaded arrow to the left. Okay, let's take a look at our very last problem. I have this problem. I can see right away that I do need to distribute. So I'm going to do that. I have negative 6x minus 12 is greater than 0. Again, I'm noticing right away that I have this negative 6x and I don't want to multiply or divide by a negative number. So I'm going to move that to the other side so it's positive. And the way that I move that is I do its opposite. So I'm going to add 6x to both sides. That cancels out. I get negative 12 is greater than 6x. You can probably imagine now what you need to do. Divide both sides by 6. And we get negative 2 is greater than x, or the opposite way, x is smaller than negative 2. So if I'm writing this in set notation, I need to say I want x such that x is less than negative 2. Or if I'm writing this on a number line, negative 2 needs to be on the number line. It needs to be an open circle because this is just less than, not equal to. And we should know now that less is to the left. Draw your shaded arrow to the left.